Wagwan. Wagwan. Yeah, nice little comeback on my Lucid. Uh, I thought I was recording. I recorded the trade. Guess I just missed the start recording button and I did not record the trade at all. So yeah, uh, that sucks. Whatever though. Back on 3 Lucid accounts after blowing my MFFU accounts that were ready for payout. I just had to wait, got greedy, and blew them all. As you can see, 3 accounts, 1500. Let's just go to the trade and then talk about a bit of my, psychology lately. Like I said, I thought I was recording the trade. I guess I didn't press the recording button. So yeah, that's fun, I guess. First up, we have on the higher time frame. Always start on a higher time frame. Let me turn my music a bit down. Boom, Kanye the goat. Bearish SMT, our time frame on the 4 hour. Pretty nice way to make a bias, but we had some internal uh, bullish signs. We'll come there in a second. So bearish high time frame SMT, marking out this higher time frame FVG as well, the most extreme one, the last one. We also have this FVG here. I didn't mark it out beforehand. Should have done that probably, but that's not a problem at all because I basically knew there was an FEG here. As you can see, we really respected it and we're moving up a lot, so that's really good to see. Probably catch the bottom there. So yeah, that's for the higher time frame. Obviously, you want to go to the lower time frame now. I chose the 50 minutes, like kind of the 15:30. Looking at this, you can see here pretty obviously an SMT. So yeah, NAS swept the low, ES didn't. Therefore, my lower time frame bullish bias with not only that a equal high. So that was also a really obvious sign for me that we were gonna be internally going up, with also like not really seeing any structure here. So just a basic New York manipulation going down, sweeping liquidity. Because we didn't see that much of volatility and not really a structure here, I was like, okay, you know what? Let me go to the 30 seconds because it looks like I'm gonna have to zoom in a bit more to enter. Um, Therefore, I saw this 30-second FEG, or at least in this case an IFEG, because it reversed. Um, of course, I'm gonna keep being honest. Like it reversed here, then it went up. I kind of hesitated, but because I wanted to see some rejection here, I wanted to see it like be respected. Because this could easily still go lower, with the higher time frame bearish bias. But after like seeing this reject here and then it go up, it go down again, I was like, no, I'm entering. So I entered here with my stop loss at the SMT. Now this is what the trade looked like. Of course, like you could have also maybe entered a bit more, maybe tighter stop, like this. It's an eval, so I'm not gonna, think about it too much. Mm, and this was the trade. Now, also gonna be honest, thought about maybe closing, cause this was like initially my, yeah, it just edged me like crazy. Because I need like 1500 like this. It edged me here, then it went all the way down. So I thought about maybe like closing here for 1k profit, maybe 1200. I was like, stick to the plan. Um, Psychology talk in just a minute. Stick to the plan. It's either going to be at this point break even, because here I set it at break even, or a W, and we might look for another trade or just close, because also one loss now equals me just stopping trading for the day. At least that's what I'm planning on doing. But yeah, I just held on. No like funny stuff with the SL, just here break even. And it went my way, so that's nice. Good trade to come back to. Now, like I said, little psychology talk. Having pretty shit psychology lately these couple 2 months. Why? I've just been trying to rush this. Um, I had a 10K month in December, or at least like it connected. Like I had two payouts within a month. One in November and then December. And since then, I've been just really rushing it. Maybe it's ego, maybe it's overconfidence, maybe it's desperation of wanting another payout. I don't know. Um, I've just been like, for example, then I was really bored and I just went through five top step accounts, blew them all, and then I was like, fuck, I didn't know what was going on, and that way I just like gave my profits right back to the market. Um, I had like payout ready, at least for the balance part. I just had to wait with MFFU like maybe 10 more days, a week more. I got greedy, took a loss, and then blew the account. Really, really tough stuff because that also made me spiral down a bit and buy more accounts, blow them. Um, so that means I am in a negative for this year, which sucks because I would have been positive if I just waited. But that's whatever. It's probably just a lesson that I have to teach myself again because this isn't my first rodeo. This isn't the first time it happened. But as long as it keeps happening at that scale, where you just blow an account, for example, and then like fully crash out for not days, but maybe a week on end, it's gonna like keep happening, and it has to happen. Otherwise, you'll never learn from it. I've agreed to myself, not trading gold anymore. Um, Maybe all the prop firms read my mind because they've been banning gold lately everywhere. But since I've been trading gold in December, it's just been not good. All my payouts come from NASDAQ, um, New York sessions. Uh, Honestly, like even though I've experience on gold, even though I know um, what the biases for Asia, I still manage to not enter too late, or enter and I blow my account. So usually it's like, okay, I want to enter, I don't, it goes my way, and then I'm like, oh shit, wait, it went my way. Okay, well, never mind. Then I'm just gonna rush in, and then that happens. I blow the account. So, quick little fresh start. I want to keep this up. Just stick to the plan. As long as I stick to the plan, I know it works. I know it gave me payouts. Not trade gold, because obviously that's not in the plan. Uh, and then like this, right? Yeah. I mean that's pretty much it. Um, of course, I'm gonna try to be consistent. Saying that again after my last video, but it's been tough, and I haven't really been able to post anything. And obviously, like it's kind of this 50-50 thing, and that's why I have a lot of respect for people that do post their loss, and their like you know bad psychology parts, because it takes a lot of courage, I would say. Uh, it's not for everyone to show the world you're doing shit and you're not doing how it should go, even though you know what you're doing is wrong. Uh, it takes a lot of courage, like I said. Um, but yeah, So this is it. So this is this quick little recap. The trade, very simple. I guess the psychology part is a bit more important than the trade because this is a 8 tier setup. This is an 8 tier setup, and the last time I took an 8 tier setup was the last video, and the day before that. So the time I took an 8 tier setup before that was I don't know when. I genuinely don't know when. Um, so yeah, let's go. If you have any questions, drop them below. If you want to keep up, if you want to, do whatever you want, engage, do that. And yeah, hopefully see you guys tomorrow. Always, yeah, always be thankful that you wake up. Good job.